So you can see this is my 1967 A100, and of course I had some roach and rust in the bottom here, and so you can see I've cut out this bottom panel. And now I'm seeing, now that I've cut out the front panel, this is pretty solid on the underside underneath here, which is a good thing. I don't know how much up in there you'll be able to see, but then the problem is this is not terrible, but you see these little pinholes. So I'm kind of thinking I'm going to go ahead and cut this out right along this edge here. And this was an entire hole. I just cut that out, but now that I'm looking at it, I mean, I could put some rust encapsulator on this and it would be somewhat solid. And this bottom piece here is pretty solid, but see these little holes, pinholes all along here. I've got some pretty good thick gauge steel in there in my garage, and I'm thinking, now that I'm looking at this, I'm going to go ahead and cut this piece out, replace it. You know, I can put rust encapsulator and sort of seal it nicely, and then go ahead and put, I've got a replacement panel for this piece, my outside sheet metal. Once I get the backside straight, then I can close it in with that.